Hey everybody, I'm Rob Freeman and welcome back to Insuring the Built Environment. Today we're answering the question, does Moore's Law apply to solar panels? And Moore's Law is a powerful economic law. It's not an actual law, it's more like an observation of what happens when the number of transistors doubles every 18 months on a integrated circuit or a microchip. And so Gordon Moore observed that the number of transistors doubled about every 18 months on an integrated circuit. And this is what enables us to have incredibly powerful computers in our pockets and be able to afford them. It's what enables really anybody to be able to afford a smartphone today that has, an exponentially larger amount of computing power than the most powerful computers 10 or 20 years ago. And so a lot of people think, well, we've noticed that the cost of solar has also dropped significantly for decades. And now it's become so inexpensive that solar energy is really comparable or less expensive than any other type of energy out there. And so people wonder, well, does Moore's Law apply to solar panels? And the short answer is that there's not a direct correlation. Moore's Law doesn't apply to solar panels because it's different technology. But there is something called Swanson's Law, which states that the price of solar PV drops by about 20% for every doubling of cumulative shipped volume of solar panels. And so Swanson's Law basically is also an observation by a guy whose last name was Swanson, who founded SunPower, a big solar panel manufacturer. And he noticed that for every doubling of cumulative shipped volume of panels, there was a learning factor that was applied to that, and it resulted in a cost price drop of about 20%. Every time that happened. And that's happened on a logarithmic curve over decades also. And below the video here, I'll link to some articles where you can go and learn more about Swanson's Law. But basically it just says that the price of solar will drop by about 20% as the cumulative volume of solar panels is shipped, and it doubles every time it doubles. And so this is something that's continuing to be true. So I think we can assume that over time that the cost of solar panels will continue to fall. And from an insurance perspective, that should mean that not only will insurance become more commoditized for solar panels and more insurance companies will get comfortable with insuring solar, so that the price of insurance for solar panels, the property related insurance, should continue to fall, and probably liability insurance should fall too. So as more and more companies get into the solar panel market and the cost of replacing the panels continues to fall, hopefully the price of insurance for solar panels will continue to fall as well. There are other factors involved in the market for property and general liability insurance for solar panels, but such as catastrophic events, large losses that capacity in the marketplace had to absorb for in the market for solar property and general liability insurance. But overall, I think that the price of insurance for solar should come down over time, and so that's good news. So that was it, kind of in a nutshell. Moore's Law does not apply directly to the solar PV market, but Swanson's Law does apply, and it indicates that there is a consistent future price drop that we can expect in the market for solar panels based on Swanson's Law. So anyway, I hope this is interesting. If you have questions about your insurance for a solar project that you're building, or if you're a business that's in the renewable energy or climate market and you need insurance for your business, please feel free to schedule an appointment with me at the link below this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.